Good evening, everyone. I'm going to try and do a double waterfall pour, which I've never done before. Not sure I know what I'm doing, but gonna give it a try. Hope you're all having a wonderful day and being creative one way or another. And I can see pretty easily that I am not coordinated with both hands. It looks easier online than it is in person. The colors that I used, or some of the colors, is Liquitex Dark Zine Purple. I used a Liquitex Prism Violet, Blick Phthalo Blue, Liquitex Bright Blue. Yeah, it's bright blue. Bright blue aqua, sorry. A little bit of golden turquoise phthalo. Artist Loft light green. The cloud white. An unknown orange. I believe it's Art Mind, but I'm not positive. And I think I said Liquitex Prism Violet. So those are the colors I used, and there were some leftovers, and I really needed to get rid of these and fill them up with some new colors. So I figured I'd do a pour tonight. Haven't done one for about a week, and I was kind of going through withdrawals. So I have it all out of the cups, and I'm just going to spread some cloud white around the area so there's something to flow onto. And I start with a popsicle stick, but you'll soon see that I decide that this is just going a little bit too slow for me. I think that popsicle stick also had resin on it, so it was making a horrible scratching noise. And I'm doing a voiceover because it's just too noisy in this house and because of my allergies. Oh, see, there I go. Like, why didn't I use this in the first place? Smooth it out as much as I can. Most of this is all going to go off, but this is a white cloud paint that I'm putting down. I do not know if I'll get any special effects from it, but I'm hoping I will. I've never done one of these, so I want it to look pretty. A bit of torching so I get all the bubbles out. And the orange colored side just didn't turn out exactly how I thought it would. It has purple in it and it has some white. And I thought it would be more of a contrast. I'm not sure. But here I am tilting it. And there it starts to move. There's plenty of paint on this. I got it going. I'm going to get it to the end and bring it back. I'm going to tilt it down towards the other end that has white on it and get that covered up for you. weight of the paint is pretty much on the blue, so I'm going to go ahead and tilt off the blue in the corner and a bit of the side and bring the paint back. And I do have a lot of cells. I did not use any silicone. It's all Floetrol and water. And I got the other end off. Now I just have 2 ends to go. And slowly but surely, it's a moving. Trying to figure out where the weight of the paint is. And can definitely tell it's going towards the blue. I'm going to tilt this off. It's moving a little bit slower than I thought it would, but maybe my paints were a little bit too thick. However, they've been sitting around for a long time, so that doesn't surprise me. I go ahead and clean my hands off. Don't want to drip on it. Okay, now it's time to get the rest of the paint. And I do apologize for my hair constantly being in the shot. I keep saying I'm going to move my setup, and I don't know, I just don't end up doing it. And slowly, and I mean slowly, it's a moving. And I really kind of do like the 2 colors together. There is definitely a difference in the way I normally paint. And trying to get the paint back into the center. Now I'm going around the edges and getting the drips and filling any spaces that need to be filled in. Because if you don't get that paint from stopping to drip, it'll just pull half your painting off, and that's not what I want done. So carefully cleaning it and adding little bits and pieces that need to be touched up. So this takes me a couple minutes of doing this. Trying to be very careful, like I said, fix up the corners. And we'll stop it here and get some torching done. Go ahead and start torching this for any bubbles that might still be in, and see if I can get any more cells or special effects during this time. And I'm sure the final piece will be close to this. I didn't get as much as I thought I would get with the top though. That's okay. I'm still very happy with it. I'll bring you in for a close-up and look at all those cells. The blues really merged quite well. And I do love the cells within the cell colors. And I got some even blue cells around the orange with a little bit of the prism violet in the orange. And I think it's looking really nice. If you enjoyed this video, learned anything, please subscribe, share. It always helps us. Thank you.